Being rear-ended is about the most common type of road accident. It is often caused by drivers being distracted and not seeing traffic stop in front of them. But often, drivers do not react to warning signs ahead and bring their own speed down accordingly. Here, we can see heavy traffic and lots of brake lights up ahead. These should all be making the driver bring their own speed down. And here again, we can see brake lights and traffic slowing, but the driver doesn't bring their own speed down immediately. And by the time they do react, it's far too late. So remember, keep at least 2 seconds behind the car in front, in good conditions. Keep an eye on the traffic up ahead and the brake lights of the car in front, and react to slowing traffic and brake lights by slowing down yourself. Like and subscribe for more driving tips.